Hello, everybody. This is Rob from Make Money Audit and YouTube channel. Here's a new one we're going to audit. This is a new individual I just found out. His name is Quinn Nolan. His claim is how to make 100 to 300 a day with Google for free. Complete guide in 10 minutes. There we go. Let's listen to him for a little bit before I start my audit.
150 million people use Google Maps every single day, but almost no one uses it to actually make money. In this video, I'm gonna share with you the exact strategy that you can use to make $100 to $300 per day using Google Maps. And don't worry, I'm not here to sell you some course or coaching program. I'm actually looking to partner up with you. I'll teach you all my make money online strategies that I know 100% for free.
Oh, there's the catch. So he doesn't want to sell you anything, but he wants to partner with you and use his claim that all his stuff is, you can make money together. Wow. Okay. Different approach on, not doing the affiliate links and stuff like that. I'll give him credit for that. But his video basically got a D again. Unrealistic time frame, unrealistic expectations. So Quinn Nolan says 100 to 300 a day Google ads for free. Basically, it's a D. No way. His own method charges you the customers $99 per month. Okay, $99 per client. It's about $3 a day. To hit 300 a day, you would need 90 clients. So basically, you can use Google, but you're going to have them pay you $99 right out of the bat just to make the money. He's claiming, okay? And he teaches you how to land exactly zero. In the video, it doesn't teach you that at all. Just more fluff. Join his group, and you're going to make money automatically. The whole thing, yeah. See, and here's the big thing. And it's not free. The whole thing runs on a paid GoHighLevel subscription. Now, GoHighLevel, if you haven't noticed or you haven't looked into it, is expensive. And because all the hype that it is, it's getting that money. It's getting paid that. It's like $250 a month, I believe. I don't know. I've never used GoHighLevel. Just about every guru that I audit has some kind of affiliate link with GoHighLevel. So I'm sure somewhere in the back end he does as well. So here's what it killed that gets it basically a D. The title says 100 to 300 a day. His own pricing is $99 per client. So we already understand that's 90 clients. $100 a day means 30. Okay. How he shows nothing, landing zero. He explains how you get past your first. He doesn't explain anything. If he does in there, I missed it, and my AI tool missed it. So yeah, he says, I'm not selling you a course. I only win when you win. 100% free. False, 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 false. The only link is a 997 bonus stack, which I don't get. Builds runs on Go. Oh, yeah. So you get a chance to win some type of program that he gives you. Sorry. Basically by signing up to GoHighLevel. So yeah, there's a bait, $997. Do you know it's worth that amount of money? I don't believe it is. So yeah. He wins the second you sign. Yeah, exactly. So the minute you sign up for his thing, GoHighLevel charges you and he makes money. So yeah, it's not free. Free isn't free. So the system costs nothing to deliver, runs entirely on GoHighLevel, and as a paid subscription after the trial. Come on, people. You can't, I've seen people make money on Google. I haven't explored that one yet. This seems to be a new thing that I might be probably looking more into. See if there's more gurus trying to claim you can do it. But I don't see it. There's the money's not there. The only money that's there is the money he gets from you guys signing up. So let me just look in more in this audit here. Okay, yeah. The only thing that stops us from getting an F is, again, is it is a legitimate version. It can make you money. It's not free. The method is fine. The pitch is how you do it. So, watch the video if you want. I mean, this seems to be just a new guy for me to audit and pick apart. You know, it I don't see how you can make money off Google without Google having some kind of cut in it. I don't see how they can just make money for free off Google. Google is a multi-billion-dollar company. I'm pretty sure they have smart enough people to figure out if people try to make money off what they're doing, they're going to get you in the back end or they're going to get you in the front end. One way or another totally fake expectation on time and money, and a very, very unrealistic approach on how to do this by suckering you in with a chance to unlock the free bonus $9,997 free bonuses. Basically, every time you guys click, that dude makes money off your Go High Level. So please don't follow this crap. If you want to do your due diligence, ask Claude how to do it. Ask Claude how to make money on Google, whatever he does. Or, ask Claude to reverse engineer this whole thing and see if it's even viable. Ask it or run it on my makemoneyaudit.com. It's going to tell you the same thing. It's not a realistic, it's not a good program to be involved in. This guy is just another scammer dressed up in, fake Go High Level ad, whatever. He's just full of crap. Basically, that's it. I don't have much more to say on this one. The video got a D. Realistically, I think I would have probably gave it an F, but because it's still a viable idea, my system gives it a D. So, guys, check it out, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.